In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut the chicken wings to make chicken lollipops and how to fry crispy chicken wings lollipop. Please read the descriptions for the full recipe. Let's start by cutting the chicken wings deep. Cut the chicken wings into 2 parts. Make a slit on the chicken wings and then scrape it or push it to the top of the chicken wings. And this is how I shape the chicken wings lollipop. Remove or scrape all the chicken meat on the bottom of the chicken wings. You can use the chicken wings tip for the chicken stocks. For the other part of the chicken wings, there are 2 bones, one big and one small. Now you are going to remove the smaller bones and just leave the bigger bone. Now we're gonna scrape all the chicken meats to the upper part of the chicken wings. And then shape the chicken lollipop using your hands. These are my chicken wings lollipops. Here I have ginger powder, salt, black pepper, and paprika. I will mix them together to marinate the chicken lollipops. You can also add other spices that you have or you like garlic powder, and mix it together to marinate the chicken wings. Mix the spices very well to the chicken lollipops. For breading or to coat the chicken wings lollipop is I have plain flour, I add some salt, and I add also a teaspoon of corn flour. Mix it together. Use your hands to bread the chicken so that you can reshape the chicken wings into lollipops. Dip the chicken wings again, but remember to remove the excess plain flour on the wings. Just shake or tap the chicken lollipops to remove the excess plain flour. Now let's deep fry the chicken lollipops. The chicken lollipops are now done. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, and please watch my other videos.